So I'm taking you to a 3-bedroom. You're going to love this 3-bedroom, especially if it's a family. Something else you will notice is that this space, that is a lock. That tells you I'm not supposed to be here. This is not my house. I'm just showing you. So this is bigger. This space here is bigger. Again, it's fitting the wall very well, so you cannot bump into it. Unlike consoles, all the space you can use it as your decker. You can put your keys over here, your bag. I'm sorry. You can put your keys over here, you can put your bag. We have the hooks here where you can put your coats when you're getting in, or your umbrellas, or your boot, your shoes. And definitely for the 3-bedroom, it is bigger. I loved something here. Come. Look at that. This is just amazing. It is so lovely. Comes even with a bigger cooker top and an oven, of course. The space is bigger. More storage space for you extends up to that wall. You can have your dining here, and the balcony is even bigger. At this balcony, we have a kind of an aluminium sliding door, which is also soundproof. So once I open it, you'll be able to at least get more noises from the road. Hear that? Let me close again. Get the difference? Yes. And here we have the views of the swimming pool. You can see the road, and you can also see your gate over there. The balcony is huge enough, it's large enough. It can serve also for space for your laundry machine. We have an allocated socket over here for your machine use, and the glass here just for safety, and also giving it that elegant finish. Yeah, has a very natural character. You'll be able to see outside, and you can do your plants here, giving it that zen look. We have the shared washroom over here. Again, this is bigger, definitely for the 3 bedrooms. So for the other bedroom, this is how it looks like. Just like the other bedroom, we have a large window there to allow natural lighting. We have natural lighting literally in every room. So that washroom that I've shown you is going to be shared amongst the 2 bedrooms. So for the master bedroom, it comes en suite. How wonderful. Comes with your own shower and your own toilet. And then we come straight to where your bed is. It can fit, this is what we call a king size bed. Very big. Again, over here you'll notice that the wardrobes are more. It's actually bigger. Fits more stuff, like kind of more like a his and hers. So you know how we do this here. There. See that balcony? This is a huge balcony. So from here you can be able to see your other balcony from the living room. You can enjoy the views of Kilimani. We have the road on this side, we have the swimming pool on this side. I mean, if you are able to take this unit, you're going to just enjoy the awesome views of the swimming pool and the play area for the kids, which is going to have it's going to be more of a zen feeling because of the green, of course, and then on the neighborhood there are trees, so kind of giving you that zen feeling. This is a 3-bedroom in Kilimani, going for only 13